Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your love and work forecast for Pisces. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Pisces, this reading is for you. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, friends. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. Also, friends, have you seen your March pick a card reading? I have already posted them, so make sure to check that out. I'll try to link it below or up in the timestamps or up in the cards. Also, have you seen your 2021 horoscopes? They were done but with charms. I have done them, so make sure to check that out also. And thank you so much for donating. If you donated to our channel, thank you so much. It means a lot. And if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading. So subscribe, like, and share. Let's see, Pisces, what is happening for you. Your current energy, Pisces. Wow, Justice. You are feeling very strong. You are feeling very balanced. Your defenses are very high, Pisces. Also, you're reaping the rewards of your past hard work. Let's see what else. How is currently Pisces feeling? What is the current energy for Pisces? The Knight of Wands and the Queen of Pentacles. Wow. So definitely you're trying, a part of you is feeling very ambitious, very passionate, and another side of you, Pisces, is feeling like you need to focus on your work or on love. So I feel like you're trying to balance yourself, your passion and your practical side. It is like you want to rush in with love, but then you are trying to control yourself, like no, 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 it's you need to be balanced, you need to be careful, you need to be cautious. Wonderful energy. You could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sag, and a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, and look at that, that's your energy. So you are trying to really master all areas of your life. Seriously, Pisces, you are going, you're really trying to master everything. You're trying to master your career, you're trying to master your emotions, you're trying to balance yourself, you're also trying to find balance. How much you want to involve with people, how much you don't want to involve with people, boundaries, how much you want boundaries. Also, you might be dealing with some legal issues. Also, if you're feeling like life is a test, it also will give you a reward. Your reward is coming, your money is coming, your career success is coming, Pisces, so don't worry. Let's see, you are also dealing with a lot of people, Pisces. I think you have so many people that now you are like, I don't want to deal with, I will decide how much time to spend with all, right? The Lovers, yeah, choices in love. You have a choice in love. Also, you have a choice whether to focus, whether to be passionate or whether to be rational. I feel you're a little confused here, Pisces. You have a little bit of trouble in controlling your passions as well as allowing your heart to sing with joy. A little, you're trying to really hold yourself back. Trust me, I know you're dying. You are like, I want to jump in this pool of love, I want to drench in it, I want to soak my soul in it. But you are like, oh, I also need to be practical about it. I don't want to get hurt. Or your person is very practical. Oh, Pisces, I feel for you. Let's see how your person is feeling. So, your person could be a new person, it could be a crush, it could be a past lover, twin flame, someone you dated, someone you married, someone you ex husband, wife. It could be anybody. So, let's see how your person is feeling. How Pisces person is feeling. Okay, can we have one card? How Pisces person is feeling. Friendship. Wow, your person is focusing on friendship. They want friendship with you. They value your time, your love. They respect you a lot. I understand that a friend in my life is for a reason. They really, really like you. I also feel that maybe a friend, someone you have friend zoned, has feelings for you, so that could also be there. Also, if you don't know somebody, this is someone who will be your friend first and then they will enter in a relationship, but you are dealing with somebody who wants to be your friend. So maybe that's the problem. They are your friend, or they want friendship with you, but you want more than friendship. So there is lust. You feel lustful, you feel passionate, you want. So there, it could be friends with benefit kind of a thing. You want that, they don't want it. I don't know. They want it, you don't want it. Something is going on. Oh, Pisces. Oh, Pisces. Okay, I see the Wheel of Fortune. So things moving forward. This is a very lucky connection. You feel lucky to find this person. They also feel very lucky to have you in their life, because friendship is like the most fabulous things to have, and this person is a genuine friend. They feel this. Purple reminds me of a good person. This person is wise, they are good. They also want to develop this connection. Four of Cups. Yeah, you both are waiting for something, there's a lot of waiting. There is a lot of thought thinking going on in this connection. Oh my god. Three of Cups. Yeah, some celebration is coming your way. I feel like this person or you are going to, they might surprise you with a date, or they might meet you, wish you on your birthday or something. Your birthday is coming, Pisces. This is the Pisces season when I'm doing, although it is timeless. But they might surprise you with some dates, taking you out, celebrations. Also, I feel if you have common friends, they are asking your common friends to surprise you, offer you, have a surprise party for you, also a birthday celebration or something. Also, I feel like somewhere this relationship is affected, because friends with benefit. Should you be friends with benefit? Should you be friends? Should you be lovers? Should you get married? There's a lot happening here. Also, I feel like your person may be having some friends which are affecting them, their judgment. So let's see. Pisces, what will happen in this connection in the future for Pisces? Five of Swords. Oh, you're feeling unsure. Queen of Wands. Yeah, this person is very strong. They are very dominating. They are very attractive. They are very loyal. They are also very fierce. I see you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, Pisces. So you have some choices, I feel. You could also be dealing like with two people, both of, to stay friends, to not, to be with them, or to be with the other person. So you have certain choices here, Pisces. Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, a very independent person, very very independent person. So you both want your independence. So somewhere this connection is like, should you be in love or should you not be in love? Because you both are very independent, Pisces. At least your person is very independent. Knight of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So I feel like your person could be affected by some people in their life. Friends, they might have certain choice. You also have some choice. So there is, this is a slow moving connection, Pisces. You have to understand it. Things are a little confusing here. Although there is a lot of joy, there is a lot of fun. You guys are friends first. You guys enjoy a lot together. You feel a lot of passion for them. You feel just like, very high, very passionate with them. Strength, yeah, you guys are very strong together. You are both powerful couples, power couples. But Tower, oh my god. But you have to be slow, because otherwise things can get very too fast too soon, so things can develop very quickly in this connection. So you need to be sure. Passionate new start, Ace of Wands. I feel like this person, there is something going on, Pisces. There is something going on. I feel like you are going to propose them, or they are going to propose you out of the blue. When you least expect it. I also feel like when you least expect it, you may hear that this person is going out with someone else, because I see that they have other options. You also have some choices. So you guys are like, what is going on? So expect the unexpected. Get ready, Pisces. You're gonna be surprised. Three of Swords. Yeah, this person is like, see, you doubted me. So I feel two things here, friends. Firstly, this person is somebody very powerful. They might surprise you with friends with benefit, or they might propose you and you will be surprised like, hey, I wasn't expecting that. Your friend proposing you, right? You don't expect that. but they have passionate feelings. Another thing is like you like this person, but before you can propose, they might be hitched to someone else. So you're like, what? Expect the unexpected, Pisces. Get ready. Oh my god, Five of Pentacles. Yeah, if you don't make your move now, Pisces, they're gonna be like, oof. This person is a powerful attractor. They attract a lot of attention. So you have a celebrity, a famous personality, or someone very good looking, someone very charming. They have a lot of social circle, big circle. So if you don't, if you expect the unexpected, if you don't propose them, they will propose you. If you still are confused, they are gonna be taken up by somebody else. So make your move now, Pisces. All right, let's see. I also feel like, you need some things from the past needs to be resolved before a new start can happen in this connection. Chaos and conflict, yeah. Some things are really, standing or blocking this connection. Some past, like, expectations are different. You expect something else, they expect something else. Soulmates, you guys are soulmate, yes. They love you a lot. Look at that. They hold a key to your heart. So this is beautiful. They definitely are gonna propose you. Stay flexible, but so don't say no. Don't say no. Don't say like, I don't know, I'm not sure, because they are not gonna wait. Deep knowing. So I think it is time to think deeply what you want, Pisces. Open your intuitive pools and jump into it, pools of knowledge, and see what you feel about this person and this connection, because you will have to make quick decisions. Let's see what you need to keep in mind, Pisces. Wisdom, yeah, you need to be smart here, Pisces. You have to play the game by smartness, by wisdom, and spiritual wisdom, and logic also. So you can't be just passionate or just logical. Also, I see success coming your way. In work and career, money is coming. Your knowledge will be, how do I say this? People, your wisdom is appreciated. People are gonna value you for your knowledge, for your experience, expertise, transformation. Big changes are coming for you. Wonders, yeah, you are amazing. You should not. You have a lot of untapped potential, Pisces. You should believe in yourself. Protection, and you are very protected. Some of you are like, what will happen if I make this move, if I move in with this person, or if I move ahead, leave this, go into this job or move into this country, what will happen? You are safe. Nothing bad will happen to you, Pisces. But expect the unexpected. Some surprises are coming your way, some sweet, some sour, some very lucky surprises. Attraction, see, you are attracting attention. You attract romantic love by enjoying your moment fully. You deserve love. You are lovable. Calling in your soulmate, your prayers, affirmations, visualization. So be very careful, Pisces. Maybe this is like something you are calling, but you might, you want this person, you want them to say yes. You want, you're waiting for a lover like this, but you might end up saying like, oh, I don't know, and they might go. So expect the unexpected and expect your wishes to come true, Pisces, and subscribe Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.